It's crazy to imagine, but all the water that is currently on the earth is all the water there will ever be. Water just changes form through a process called the water cycle. Let's explore. The first stage in the water cycle occurs when the sun heats the water enough for it to turn into a vapor. The water vapor begins rising. This is called evaporation. You can observe evaporation anytime you heat water on the stove. The heat from the stove top heats the water and creates steam or water vapor. In the water cycle, the sun is the source of heat that causes evaporation. All the water vapor then begins to stick together and form fog or clouds. This is known as condensation. You can observe this at home when you are heating a pot. The water vapor pools or condenses on the lid of the pot. When water sticks together enough, it will get heavy and gravity will cause it to fall in the form of rain. This is called precipitation. Let's go back to our boiling water on the stove. If you place a lid on the pot, you will see that water condenses on the lid, and when it gets heavy enough, it falls back into the pot. This acts like precipitation. Rain, then affected by gravity, travels down and usually rests. This is called runoff. In our pot, we can see that the water will run to the lowest point. So in our curved pot, that's near the edges. After runoff, the water rests here until it is heated by the sun to form more evaporation. The water cycle is a continuous pattern of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff.